Hello, class. I hope everyone had a nice Memorial Day weekend. I just finished grading the week two assignments. The group discussion, which again, kind of the same grading rubric as you'll see throughout the semester with that specific topic. Or that assignment, I should say. Make sure just a couple quick things. Make sure some of you only completed half the assignment. Maybe you did your initial post, but then did not respond to at least two classmates, or maybe you just responded to two classmates and didn't do your original post. Several of you, again, make sure that you read the full assignment so that you don't lose points, for simple things like that. So, but overall, really good discussion for week two. I was very pleased with that. So keep up the good work. As far as the case study analysis, a couple of things. I think overall, almost everybody's on the right track. Those individuals who got the highest grades, just so you know, really dug in on the details. I may have remarked, and some of you, if you didn't get full points, I might have said, it was lacking the details, or I want to see more details. If I made a comment like that, what I'm looking for is, did you tie what we were discussing back to the book chapters or to the videos that we watched? The best papers, and this is going to be true for all the case study analysis throughout the semester, is take whatever question or two is asked in the case study and take quotes from your textbook. Take information from the videos that we watch, and then add those quotes or those details into your analysis on your papers. Because again, part of the reason why we have the textbook is so you can apply what you learned by reading and apply it to the assignment. So the ones that scored the best were the ones who did that, who took quotes out of the textbook or took ideas out of the textbook or the videos that we watched and apply them to your case study analysis. So moving forward for the rest of the semester, that's what I'm going to be looking for. So if you were hoping to get the highest grade possible on case study analysis, make sure you do a couple of citations. Again, I don't require a certain number, but the ones who did really well maybe had 2 or 3 citations that I could directly tie that back to the textbook or the video. So again, just a little piece of advice that will help you moving forward. So again, but overall, great work for the first couple of weeks, and look forward to working with you the rest of the semester. Thanks, everyone.